Welcome to the new topic of the course Industrial Engineering, lecture number 3. The topic is Role of Industrial Engineering. So in this lecture, we will see the different types of role an industrial engineering take during his tenure as an industrial engineer. Role of industrial engineering is many. So in this lecture, we will be explaining 15 roles he will be playing as an industrial engineer. So we will see one by one. So you can see one industrial engineer working in a factory. So one by one we will see what are the roles of an industrial engineer. So the first role is that of an advisor or consultant. Advisor or consultant. So he'll be giving expert advice to the company by interpreting technical data, then also reviews industrial systems and suggests improvements and helps the management in decision making. For example, advising a company on improving production efficiency. So that's his first role. Then he is like an advocate or activist. He will promote improved methods rather than conventional methods and encourages adoption of new technologies for continuous improvement of the production, and he will also motivate employees to accept changes that is happening in the company. For example, he can introduce lean manufacturing in a factory. What is lean manufacturing? That we will study in another topic. Then the third role is as an analyst. He will study the industrial problems, divides complex problems into smaller parts, collects and analyzes data, identifies the root causes of problems and recommends solutions. For example, if there is any production delay, he will analyze it and find solutions for it. That is the third role of the industrial engineering. Then the fourth one is he or she is a boundary spanner. That means there are many departments in a company, so he coordinates between departments. Usually there is a gap between different departments, there will be conflicts between the departments, and also there will be conflict between the management and workers. So he will work as a bridge between these groups, like workers and management, also different departments in a company. Also, he will be coordinating between production, quality and maintenance departments. These are the different departments in a company. Fifth role is as a motivator. He or she encourages teamwork, improves employee morale, inspires workers, promotes productivity and supports organizational goals. Then the sixth is as a decision maker. Evaluates alternatives, selects the best solution, solves industrial problems, supports management decisions. So selecting the most economical production process, that is one of his decisions that others has to accept in a company. Then designer as well as a planner. He designs production systems, plant layouts, develops process specifications, Plant's workflow improves production efficiency. What is plant layout? All those things we will study in the coming topics. Then the eighth role of an industrial engineer is as an expert. So he'll be expert in one or two specializations like a mechanical engineering or civil engineering or computer engineering. So he can give specialized technical knowledge to the company, can solve complex industrial problems, and guides organizations by sharing experience and expertise he has. Then the ninth role is as a coordinator as well as integrator. He coordinates different departments, integrates production activities, ensures smooth workflow, improves communication. In this way, he will coordinate different departments and production activities. Then another role is as an innovator or inventor. That means developing creative solutions, encourages innovation in the company. He may not be innovating something, but he will encourage innovations of the others. And he will give emphasis to improve existing systems by introducing advanced technologies. For example, automated material handling system that he can introduce into the company. The 11th role of an industrial engineer is as a measurer. That means he collects industrial data, measures performance, conducts work measurement, and evaluates productivity, etc. So this is the meaning of a measurer. Then as a project manager, as we know, he plans projects and supervises its implementation. We can see he is checking the Gantt chart of a project and he is monitoring its progress, evaluates the project performance, and ensures the timely completion of a project. Then as a trainer as well as educator, he trains employees, conducts various skill development programs, shares his industrial engineering knowledge, and improves workforce competency. And the 14th one is data gatherer. Here he collects production data, quality data, cost information, and do industrial analysis. That is very important in an industry. And the last one is as a negotiator. We know that usually there will be conflicts between various parties or various stakeholders in a company. So his job is as a negotiator. He negotiates with the suppliers. He negotiates with the management and employees if there is any conflict between management and employees. And he usually comes up with a mutually beneficial solution to all parties. So these are the 15 roles of an industrial engineering. As a conclusion, we can say industrial engineers combine engineering knowledge with management skills to improve organizational performance and achieve higher productivity. So an industrial engineer has many roles. Out of that, 15 important roles are explained here. Hope you understood it. So subscribe this channel to watch the other topics by clicking the logo on the top right corner. Thank you.